Here we go, here's the place. Welcome to another video. Just going to do a walk around of this track. I'm not going to go in all the ins and outs, but I'll show you them on the way through. This is where I've been today. We've got a nice little section through here, through there. This is the main bit here. There's loads of different little ways you can go, so it's really good for pit bikes, sort of small bikes and that. It's a bit hairy getting a 250 round here, because it's all quite tight. Yeah, this is where I've been up and down today. You can see it's all that nice little hill. Come down this way. Like I say, it's only a fiver all day, this place. Got a hill up there. Ways through here, look. We keep to a clockwise route. But it's really good though. Really fun. Bit better when it dries out a bit. Little hill here. Right, got another way in here. Look. Another trail. A couple of trails down there. Like I say, any small bike is perfect for any small bike. You can still get around on bigger bikes, but you're not going to get much speed up or anything. Right, we've got a few hills here now. Look, nice berm around there. Nice berm. Got a hill up there. It goes round to the right. You've got another hill here. It goes up and up. And you've got the last and final hill up at the back up there. So it's good fun. Comes down. You've got a boggy bit there. I've been going up and down this bit here. Nice little down and uphill bit. Yeah. Go up here. Wow, what's that? I've never seen that. It's a big hole. Wow, look at that. Good job we don't have bears in this country. There's a track round it. I'll go down and look at that hole quickly. There's another hill there, a couple of hills, tracks. Track in the woods here. God, I reckon badgers or something stupid. Oh, looks like a little bunker. What is this? Ah, I think this used to be an old mine here. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to go down there though. What is in here? I will explore that another day, but I haven't got much space on my memory card, so I'll continue my walk round and I'll look at that. I'm not going to go that way because that's like a little trail through the woods. Nice little swoopy trail. You can get some speed up in there though, that's quite good. Another trail through there, meets up with the other one. A lot of it needs clearing. There is a trail in them brambles that go up there, and I'll show you in a minute. Some jumpsy bits here. That goes up there. I've got this hill here for you, quickly. Oh, there. And then that goes down the other side. Do a little view off the top. See the hills at the back. So you just go straight over here and then down there. But I like to go this way. In reverse. But there's loads of trails there. There's a trail here, goes down there. Just needs a petrol hedge trimmer. Open them up. We're quite high here. Then have a little scope view. There's another trail there that needs opening up. You can see the brow of the hill there. I'd like to know where that one goes. I haven't seen this one yet. I'll see if I can see that in a minute. I definitely want that one open. There's another trail there. I'd like to know where that goes as well. And this is the way that's semi-clear. This is a nice little bit to ride through, this one. Lots of brambles. But it just needs a petrol hedge trimmer. Someone's been down here at some point and done some of it. Cleared a lot of it. I wonder if I can see where the other one went. Hang on. See if I can. When you're on the bike, you don't actually see all these other trails. Now I'm not on there. I can see. Ah, there it is. So that'll be this way. Look. That'll come up here somewhere. You can see the hill up there. It's a nice big hill there. That's quite steep. That'll be fun to get them down. Just this one here needs clearing. Not really clearing. I don't know if you can see it on the screen, but that'll come down sort of through here. Where's my finger? Down there, up here, and then up here. It's just where no one's ridden for a long while. I sort of get jammed up. Nice hill there, look up there. I'll take you around this way. Another trail up there. Another trail down there. Like I say, if you come here, try and keep in the clockwise direction or the anti-clockwise. Just agree with everyone. Saves any head-ons or anything. Nice sort of bermy corner here. Little jump here. Little hill there. Sorry about my squeaky shoe. I don't know if anyone noticed. Another hill there, needs clearing. So what entrance way I reckon? I suppose you can go both ways, but more of a drop-in point I reckon. But that there, you can see where it used to run off. It used to come down, go up there, look. But it just needs clearing. And then this takes us back to where we started. I'm not going to go through this middle section of the track. Just give you an idea. I'm not sure if that sun's a bit bright for my camera this way. But yeah, that's the track. There's another route down there. 2 more routes there. That's the way we walked to start with. There's loads of different ways you can go. Seen another hill straight ahead I haven't seen before. Another way down there. There's that little jump bit I was on about earlier. This is like the entrance here. But this jump bit here, you wouldn't be jumping over there when someone's coming down. Alright. And that's it. Cheers guys.